In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mobile payments using PayPal, a convenient and reliable platform for transferring money digitally. Whether you want to pay a friend back for dinner, contribute to a group gift, or send money overseas, PayPal makes it easy. So, let's dive right into the steps, ensuring you have a smooth and successful transaction. First, you'll need to go to paypal.com or open the PayPal app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's available on both iOS and Android platforms and can be found in your respective app store. Once you're on the website or in the app, sign in if you haven't already. It's important to have your PayPal account set up with all the necessary details, including linked bank accounts or credit cards, to facilitate the payment process smoothly. Next, you'll see the option labeled Send. Tap on it to proceed. This tab is generally on the home screen of the app or dashboard of the website and serves as your portal for initiating payments. Clicking Send will open a new window where you can begin to input the payment details. Now you'll be prompted to type in the recipient's email address. It's crucial to ensure you have the correct and verified email address for the person you want to send the payment to. Typos here can send your money to the wrong person, so double check it before moving forward. This accuracy helps avoid any unnecessary delays or complications with your payment. Once you've entered the email address, go ahead and click Next. This will take you to the next screen where you'll be asked to type in the amount of money you wish to send. Be thoughtful about the amount, and remember, you can always add a little message if you want to include a personal note, a reason for the payment, or reference information. This feature is particularly helpful in reminding both parties what the payment was for, should you look back on your transaction history later. After entering the amount, click Next again, and PayPal will prompt you to review your payment details. Take a moment here to confirm that everything, especially the recipient's email address and the payment amount, is correct. Finally, once you're confident everything is accurate, click Confirm to process the payment. PayPal will notify you often instantly that your payment has been sent successfully. And there you have it. Sending mobile payments through PayPal is efficient and straightforward if you follow these steps. With this digital tool, you can ensure your money reaches the intended recipient swiftly and securely. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more helpful guides on how to navigate the world of online payments. Have a great day.